Hi, I'm Stephanie Mead, one of the propagators here at Decker Nursery.
Hi, I'm Brian Decker. I'm also a propagator here at Decker Nursery, and what Stephanie and her crew have just demonstrated is what we call progressive sticking at Decker Nursery. This is a system that uses lean flow engineering to go ahead and come up with a system that results in greater numbers of cuttings stuck per hour. The other thing that's good about our system of sticking cuttings here is you may have noticed there's no hormone applied to the basal ends of the cuttings. This is because we will go over the top after the cuttings are stuck with a water-soluble foliar auxin of IBA rooting hormone. This is not only something that has tremendously improved our cutting production per hour, but it has also had a vast improvement on worker safety. No one is exposed except the person that is spraying chemicals, and that person is in protective clothing to go ahead and put the IBA on the cuttings. So everyone's hands that are touching those cuttings, as you can see, they're not wearing gloves in most cases, and if they are, it's for their own personal comfort. It is not a necessary protective measure. Nothing is on those cuttings but water at this point. This also results in a greater uniformity of hormone application because that is broadcast as a fog over the cuttings, absorbed into the cuttings and translocated to the basal end for rooting. We do multiple applications of IBA, and as a result we have learned over time that even with multiple applications the cost per cutting of IBA is negligible, but the uniformity is tremendous. Many crops are now at 100% rooting and in much less time. So this not only improves worker safety, it improves profitability, productivity, and plant health. And to me, that's a big win. So this is how we do progressive sticking and hormone overspray at Decker Nursery.
Thank you for watching this video and learning how labor, efficiency, automation, and production, or LEAP, helps ornamental plant producers achieve greater sustainability. This video series was made possible by the incredible amount of time invested researching and gathering information by Decker's Nursery. Their efforts to determine how new technologies will improve their systems, coupled with their tremendous generosity to share that work with other producers beginning this process, is an inspiration to leap the green industry forward sustainably. We are very grateful to them for this opportunity. This work is supported by the Specialty Crops Research Initiative Award Number 2020-51181-32137 from the USDA National Institute of Food and Agriculture for the planning grant Labor, Efficiency, Automation, and Production, or LEAP, for sustainability in nursery crops. Any opinions, findings, conclusions, or recommendations expressed in this publication are those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the view of the U.S. Department of Agriculture.